Okay, yo bro, today we're going to practice real life English speaking with this vlog. Look, I'm going to show you several really beautiful and cool places in Moscow, right here. And I will describe everything I see around to practice my English. This will help you to learn new vocabulary and practice listening. But for me, this is going to be a good speaking exercise because I'm an English learner and I want to speak English better. So let's go, bro, let's go and have some fun. This look is going to be good. Okay, right now I'm in the college. I'm right inside the main building of my college. I've just finished classes, like not classes, kind of activities. I will talk about that. I had a retake of my exam. It was an IT class, yeah, just coding, Python, you know, this stuff. And look around what we have in the main building. There is literally nobody right now in here because it's 6:44 p.m. On the screen you can see that right here we have a greenery, a circle of grass, this kind of green wall. I really love that. Behind the glass, it's a glass, we have a cow. This is a cow and a spotted cow, spotted like black and white spots. Because today we had right here some kind of exhibition in terms of food exhibition, and some companies demonstrated us their products for students. You could buy some food, have a music up there, probably some kind of rehearsal when you're preparing to something. A tree with the sponsors of our university. And wow, look at this cool thing. It's a trophy. Wait, it is a trophy. Sun is shining so brightly. To be honest, man, I'm kind of tired because I was sitting there for let me calculate how many hours. Three hours. I was there in the classroom for 3 hours just waiting for my turn to get a teacher's attention, you know. And I'm exhausted right now, but anyways, the weather is great and I decided why not to practice English speaking this evening. And that's a beautiful day, man, and I'm so happy, guys, that you're going to see this, that oh my gosh, like we are going to feel this moment together. Yeah, let's go for a walk. I'm on the street right now. Right now I will probably take a subway, and after a couple of minutes I will be in another place, which is really cool. So let's go. I'm walking out with the subway right now, and there are a lot of people right here. Wow, also there is a McDonald's, Russian. Here is the subway with a red sign. Really beautiful evening. And that's the place where many people can gather. Look at this. This is like a this place is really wide. It's wide, and there are seats, like benches for people. So I would say this is a good place to arrange meeting with somebody because the subway is close, and yeah, you can just meet with friends here. And here is a crosswalk that will help me. So I'm crossing the street right now. There is a local park. Oh, by the way, this area is only for pedestrians. Like no cars allowed here. You see? Only bikes. Like you can cycle here. Oh wait, oh no, man, I'm mistaken. Actually, cars are going here. Wow, I could be hit by a car. That's a nice building. Capybara, capybara. Like, how do we call actually this animal? This is like a local zoo. No, it is like a pet store. You can buy a pet for yourself. Yeah. Whether you wanna buy a parrot, or some hamster, I don't know. By the way, guys, do you have a pet? Right now, I do not have a pet because I live in a dormitory. But I used to have a pet when I was living in my hometown. I had a cat, white cat. He's cool. Right here we have a local cafe with a table outside, not inside the building but outside. And there is a fountain. Wow, that's a good lawn, by the way. I like this grass. Yeah, in the evening, people are not in such a hurry. The pace of living, the pace of walking is pretty much slow. People are just enjoying the weather. Dogs are also chilling. Oh man, I can't miss any dog. Like, I film all dogs. A really quiet neighborhood. And a church right here. We also have a ice cream stand. We had it in a previous vlog. Oh my god. We have it in a previous vlog from the park. By the way, bro, right now I'm walking to a really popular place here in Moscow, but I've been there only once in my life, 2 years ago, so I'm really excited to see what's happening there right now. That place is kind of community center, you know, community house for students, for local people, for anybody, absolutely. If you wanna gather with friends, it's like a big space, huge space with exhibits, by the way, with the some kind of cultural things, you know, that you can witness there. So if you want to gather with friends, if you want to study, play games, just that's a good spot for co-working. You can go there, and there is a really beautiful area around that big building. And while I'm walking, I want to share a little bit of my day, of my process, because today, as I mentioned previously, as I mentioned earlier, I had a retake at university. Retake is when I had an exam. It was a year ago, and I didn't pass that exam, so I have to pass it anyways in order to graduate from my university. So this is called a retake, and I passed that. Finally, here we have a flag of European Union. I guess that's an embassy or something. So, nice sunset, by the way. Oh yeah, wait. I can't see anything because of sun. So, look. Oh my gosh. What we got here. I need to cross this street right here, crosswalk, and then I will go over that bridge. Several trees with the padlocks, kinda lock. It is like a symbol of getting married, like a tradition in Russia to do that when you're getting married. And ribbons as well. You see, many ribbons, different colors. Can you name, by the way, all the colors in English? Blue, purple, yellow, white. Oh, that's the plastic bag. Okay. And there is a river. And by the way, I have just realized that this is the exact place where I filmed my first vlog on this channel. It was like a year ago when I was just only trying to speak English, to speak on public, to speak on camera. Vlogging is just the perfect way to improve your speaking when you just describing everything you see around. And this is the place where I filmed my first vlog ever. That's phenomenal. I mean, that's really, it brings me so many memories. I still remember that when I was only trying. Yeah, man. Water is coming from underground. This tree is blooming. You see these white flowers. Awesome. Blooming in the spring. Right now is a spring. Wait, how can I? Oh man. Okay, there was a crosswalk. And these blue pipes is my destination. It is where I'm going right now. My destination. And by the way, unfortunately right now my phone is running out of battery. So I hope I will still have some time to film more today, but bro, I don't have a charger with me. So I need to film the most important things. I was walking under that bridge. You see right there, there was a pathway under the bridge. And I wanna just capture this beautiful view. Man, that's cool. Guys, I have found a place with a lot of bikers. We have a lot of motorcycles. This is a motorcycle. Oh, that's so loud. Many bikers. Wow. Yeah, that's exactly where I'm going right now. That forest. Wow, what is that? It is like for engineers. Engineering area. Wait, I don't know. Am I even allowed to be here? People just literally walking right there. Engineers, hardware, like in my university, the same. Okay. Ah, nah, that's a public place, come on. Just looks weird. This white building is exactly the place I was looking for. It is a community center, but the only question I have, how can I get inside? I'm really confused. Okay, I just realistically have no idea how to go inside, and my phone is running out of battery, guys, so I just gotta go home. So yeah, I hope you're doing great. Good luck with your studying. Thank you guys, thank you, I love you all so much. Wow.